Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Sigma to Snowflake for self-serve dashboards. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have the necessary credentials for both Sigma and Snowflake. Open your web browser and navigate to your Sigma dashboard. Log in using your Sigma credentials. Once logged in, locate the Data Sources option in the main menu. Click on Add Data Source. A list of available data connections will appear. Select Snowflake from the list. In the configuration window that opens, input your Snowflake account details. Fill in your Snowflake username and password. Specify the account identifier in the required format. Enter the warehouse name that you intend to use for querying. Provide the database name you want to connect to. Indicate the schema within that database you wish to access. Review all the information entered to ensure it is correct. Click on the Test Connection button to verify the connection. If the test is successful, proceed to click Save to establish the data source. After saving, return to your Sigma dashboard. Now, navigate to the Datasets section. Click on Create New Dataset to start building your self-service dashboard. Choose the Snowflake data source you just connected. Select the tables and fields you want to include in your dataset. You can apply filters to refine the data as necessary. Once your dataset is set up, save it and proceed to visualization. In Sigma, click on Create New Sheet to design your dashboard. Drag and drop elements from your dataset onto the sheet. Customize the visualizations to best represent your data. Use Sigma's tools to enhance your dashboard's interactivity. Once finished, review the dashboard to ensure everything is displaying properly. Save your dashboard for future use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.